vulture. Come here. Come here, little vulture.
Vultures don't have a spirit, so kind of vocal cords like the other birds.
I'm gonna pet
They
him.
don't really make much sound, isn't it? Hissing, excited sound sounds kind of like Donald Duck to me. So, when the parents come back to feed the chicks in the nest, whichever baby is making the most
That's
head
Charley's
movement
favorite
is the
bird.
one that gets fed first. And they usually stop doing that when they're about 2 months old, maybe 6 years. Still does it. So also human imprint and associates with people. Sometimes, unfortunately, people view vultures as ugly birds.
No, they're very beautiful.
Feathers on their face or their head. Lots of birds don't have feathers on their face or their head, including the turkey and pretty well. However, it's really important activity for eating stuff that's dead. He can have feathers over his face or sticking his face into a carcass. Those feathers can absorb bacteria. Bacteria could be absorbed into his skin and make him sick. Bald is beautiful. Isn't it cute? Yeah. Wow. And so important to the ecosystem.
Come on, vulture.
Not only are vultures a cleanup crew and eating all the stuff that's dead, they're also helping prevent the spreading of disease. They have super powerful stomach acid and kill a lot of diseases, bacteria, and viruses on contact. This is who's ridding our ecosystems of salmonella, E. coli, botulism, coccidia, tuberculosis, anthrax, and rabies, just to name a few. So I understand that to some people are not so cute as an owl or as regal as evil, and we absolutely have to have vultures out there in the ecosystem. Our ecosystems are going to collapse. So what do you guys think? Pretty cool bird? Yeah, give her applause.
Yay, it's the best.
Any vulture questions?